Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kanban boards from Notion to Trello step by step clearly. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the Kanban board you want to transfer. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the board. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. In the export settings, choose the format as CSV. Click the export button to download the CSV file to your computer. Next, open Trello in your web browser. Create a new board or select an existing board where you want to import the Kanban cards. On the Trello board, click on the Show menu button on the right sidebar. Select More, then click Import from the options. If you do not see the import option, you may need to enable the power-up for CSV imports. Search for and enable the CSV import power-up if necessary. Once enabled, return to your Trello board and click on the Import button again. Now, upload the CSV file you downloaded from Notion. Map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Trello. Each column in your Notion Kanban board should correspond to a label or description in Trello. After mapping the columns, click on the Import Cards button. Wait a moment for Trello to process the import. Once completed, you will see your Kanban cards appear in your Trello board. Review the newly imported cards to ensure everything transferred correctly. You may need to rearrange columns or adjust card details to fit your Trello workflow. Finally, customize labels, due dates, and checklists as necessary to optimize your new Trello board. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.